Hi, this is Everson from DTG Merch. If you want to run a successful t-shirt business, then you come to the right place. In this channel, we talk about direct-to-garment printing and t-shirt design. And this is also relevant to everyone who works with print on demand, since most platforms print their t-shirts with the DTG technology. So, it doesn't matter if you want to print yourself or use a print-on-demand service to create your business. We got you covered. Nowadays, it's easier than ever to create fantastic designs, get them printed, and earn real money with them. The tools and the technology have never been easier to access. We want to help you to create quality designs and t-shirts efficiently, and there's a lot to learn. Like most people in this industry, we had to learn it through trial and error. I have been working in the textile business my whole life, from research and development for direct-to-garment printing all the way to industrial quality control. I spent years perfecting what I know, but most of people don't have that time. That's why we created the TG Merch and set up this YouTube channel to help you to get great results as quickly as possible. We normally release new videos with helpful tutorials, how-tos, and tips and tricks that can help you create a successful t-shirt business. So hit that subscribe button and also the notification bell. And if you are interested in DTG printing, you can download our ebook, The Beginner's Guide to DTG Printing, which is free for our newsletter subscribers. Check out our online course. You can have all the information you need in learn.dtgmerch.com. And we also sell t-shirt designs. If you want to see some of our designs, you can follow us on Instagram. Well, I guess that's it from me. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to hit that subscribe button, and I'm looking forward to hear from you in the comment section. All the best, take care, and see you in the next video.